A lot of doggies are here earlier than us. I woke up and there's like 10 cars around. Draait hè? No. No, 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 no. Keep standing. I didn't actually bring any of the good shoes for this country. Don't have shoes where I can walk in the rain. But I can walk in the rain with my slippers. There wasn't much to poo because we didn't have much food. Let's go for breakfast. It's only 5 minutes, girls. No worry. Don't you worry. Been at least 2 years since I've been here, I think. I think this is the longest time I haven't been here. All my life. People are wearing shorts here. It's 18 degrees. Hey, my sister is still here. How do you guys like my sister's car? Hello?
Hallo.
Bom dia!
Kom maar.
Bom dia!
Kerel, hoe is het?
Hoi.
Ik moet eens even naar het ziekenhuis. Kom maar.
It's okay!
Goed
Kom
zo.
aan. Wat bronten?
Je ziet daar.
Hey Bruni! Your girls are back. Not very excited, huh? I tried to pet him and he tried to bite me. Well, just like, not really bite, but like, show me off. He hasn't seen me for 2 years. Notice the dog. This is where my mom's at. I brought some olive oil. Well, it's not as bad as I thought, but it's still a horrible place. So boring inside there, guys. My mom has been stuck here for a year now. She did have some improvement, maybe in the beginning. But I sure hope so, but I don't think she's ever getting out of here, guys. which is pretty hard considering it's your mom. We're almost there, sweetie. The girls are getting all nervous already. Off to see my dad. A little busy here. I feel that now that I drive the car again that I'm not well rested yet. See, no worries, we're here already. What's in those containers? Back in the forest. My dad says hi. We're going there tomorrow again to pick up some stuff. We got some donations for our association. Funny. I'll tell you about it tomorrow when we pick it up. Well, actually we got 3 different donations. Made me smile today. I'll tell you tomorrow, guys, when we pick it up. Beautiful, nice, quiet Dutch forest. You have to look for them, but they are still there. Kom, Eagle. Zoe. Zoe. Where's this human? Hola. Just passing by. They don't have them this big in Portugal. Beautiful, huh? Very small, very loud. They put a fence here. I don't know why. Usually I would go through here. Kira's already waiting to get back into the car. ¿Qué pasa? You're in an area where wolves live. Keep your distance. Don't feed or approach the wolves. What? Put your dirty feet on my bed. Hmm? Filling up for the way back. €2.03. It's not too bad. I thought it would be way worse. The most we paid was in France, I think. 221. The cheapest was in Spain, 159. And this is on the highway, so I could have chosen a cheaper location. Girls ready for the journey home? Not really, huh? There's Akira. Way back there. It's also hard for me to enjoy a trip if the girls don't enjoy the trip. Ja, ik wil die pallet bij jou houden en dan het ding gewoon erin schuiven. Nou ja, gewoon. Ja, misschien gewoon maar hoger, pap, dat hij er overheen kan. Ja. 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 Je kan verder toch, of niet?
Oh ja.
Klein stukje, 20 centimeter. Ja. Pallet hier houden. If you don't know, my dad runs a charity organization, well, together with me before, but now mostly by himself. Dag Bob! Yo! And the charity helps like people in Utrecht who don't have much income, like the poor people. And we, because I'm also still like a member of this association. But there are actually 3 different associations that help taking care of people in need here in Utrecht. And the business is a little bit changing, also because I left and my dad is getting older. So they are picking up less stuff to distribute. And they used to have 3 cars. Well, we used to have 5 cars. But we've been like scaling down for a while already. Mainly because there's another association in Utrecht from the government that is that we are slowly sort of integrated with, but we have to do less and less. So we now still have 3 cars, but one is actually just only standing there and not doing much. So we decided to donate it to our charity in Garridas. I wanted to show you the car. It's a van, but they're still today they are using it, but they don't really need it anymore. But it wasn't there, so I took a picture of it like just before it left. So you'll see that now. It's a Peugeot Boxer from 2014 with 160,000 kilometers on it. So that's actually still a pretty darn good car. The only thing is we need to import it to Portugal to get it onto our association. So hopefully we can do that with less trouble than it was with Vanessa. My dad, he's a funny guy. You want to import another car? I can donate you this if you want. So I took the donation. Also, my dad saw us making bread, and I told my dad a bit about the plans that we have for the association and wanting to like weekly bake bread for the people in the area and maybe also teach other people to make bread, like as a sort of program for the association. So what you see here is a professional bread cut machine. My dad works with a lot of other people also, and he informed around, and somebody had one of these things standing around. So that is our second donation. And then my dad, cool as he is, he went around in his group with like-minded people, and we all worked together for a while. And I did a lot of stuff for these other organizations also. So my dad had the idea to go, and we say in Holland, go around with the hat for donations. We got a couple of €1,000 in cash, guys. A couple of €1,000. This will get our association started. I'm not gonna tell you exactly how much it is. If eventually we get a bank account, finally, you guys can also join the association, and this is all association information, so donations that come in and stuff, it's all members will know about everything that happens. But I don't feel really comfortable telling you how much it is. So yeah, I think our association is off to a good start in inventory and finances. We still don't have a bank account though. So now we need to go ask Molly and Sandra if they want to help import another vehicle.